Hello, good morning children. Today I am going to explain about important latitudes and longitudes. Okay, let's know about latitudes. What are latitudes? The imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on the globe. The imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on the globe are called latitudes. Okay, here, the middle one, this one is 0 degrees. This one is 0 degrees latitude. The 0 degrees latitude, which divides the earth into two equal parts, this is called as equator. This is called as equator. The 0 degrees latitude is called as equator. Okay, always on the map, the upper side shows north direction. Okay, this shows north direction. Okay, so this is 23 and half degrees north latitude. Okay, this is 23 and half degrees north latitude. This 23 and half degrees north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And at the same way, this is 23 and half degrees south latitude. This is 23 and half degrees south latitude. This is called as Tropic of Capricorn. This is called Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, 23 and half degrees north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer, and 23 and half degrees south latitude, this is south latitude, this is called as Tropic of Capricorn. At the same way, this is 66 and half degrees north latitude. Okay, this is 66 and half degrees north latitude. This is called as Arctic Circle. This is called as Arctic Circle. Okay, 66 and half degrees north latitude is called as Arctic Circle, and 66 and half degrees south latitude, this is called as Antarctic Circle. This is called as Antarctic Circle. (66 and half degrees south latitude is called as Antarctic Circle), and this is 90 degrees north latitude. This is called as North Pole. This is called as North Pole. Okay, 90 degrees north latitude is called as North Pole, and this is 90 degrees south latitude. Okay, 90 degrees south latitude, and this is called as South Pole. This is called as South Pole. Okay, 90 degrees south latitude is called as South Pole. So, one more time say children, 0 degrees latitude is called as equator. 23 and half degrees north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer, and 23 and half degrees south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. 23 and half degrees south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. 66 and half degrees north latitude is called as Arctic Circle. 66 and half degrees north latitude is called as Arctic Circle, and 66 and half degrees south latitude is called as Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle, and 90 degrees north latitude is called as North Pole. 90 degrees south latitude is called as South Pole. And here this, see this one, on the equator, here these two sides, as the sun rays falls directly, here temperature is very high. That's why this, from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, this blue zone, this is called as torrid zone. This is called as torrid zone. That means this one, this blue zone. Okay, 23 and half degrees north latitude to 23 and half degrees south latitude, this blue zone completely it is called as torrid zone. And at the same time, from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. That means 23.5 degrees north latitude to 66.5 degrees north latitude. This pink zone. Okay. And at the same way, in the south direction also this pink zone, 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees. This is called as temperate zone. This is called as temperate zone. Okay, this is called as, and that means this pink shaded, these two. Okay, from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle, these two pink zones are called as temperate zones. And here from 66.5 degrees north latitude to 90 degrees north latitude and 66.5 degrees south latitude to 90 degrees south latitude, that means from Antarctic Circle to South Pole and Arctic Circle to North Pole. Here the sun rays falls very slant and these areas are very far from the sun. That's why the zones are called as frigid zone. What is this? Frigid zone. That means this green area, this area is called as frigid zone, and here also this one frigid zone. Frigid zone. Okay, these are the main latitudes. 0 degrees latitude, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. This blue zone is torrid zone and these two pink zones temperate zones. That means here little sun rays falls little slantingly. That's why temperature is medium. They are called as temperate zones. And in this green shade, this here very less temperature will be there and frigid zone. Okay, as the sun rays falls very slantingly, here temperature is very low. That's why these green zones are called as frigid zones. Okay, now let's see about longitudes. Okay, what are longitudes? The imaginary lines which are drawn vertically, on the globe, okay, are called longitudes. They are called longitudes. The imaginary lines which are drawn vertically on the globe. So, this one, as it is, this is the middle one, 0 degrees. This 0 degrees longitude is called as prime meridian. This one is called as prime meridian. This one is called 0 degrees. This one is 0 degrees longitude. This is called as prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian. And these latitudes are north latitudes and south latitudes. Then they are divided into north direction and south direction. But here these longitudes always on our right side. This is east side and this is west side. So these longitudes will be measured in eastern longitudes and western longitudes. See, suppose if this is 0 degrees, then this one, okay, this one is 10 degrees east. This is 40 degrees east, 90 degrees east, 120 degrees east, 140 degrees east. Okay, and then here this one 180 degrees east. At the same way, here also, this side also 40 degrees west, 90 degrees west, 120 degrees west, okay, and 140 degrees west, and again 180 degrees west. That means here both 180, here they two join and they have the common same point. So these longitudes, as the latitudes are 180, longitudes are 360. Longitudes are 3, their number is 360. Okay. So always on the right direction, these are called as eastern longitudes and these are western longitudes. This is about longitude. One more time I will tell you definition, children. The imaginary lines which are drawn vertically on the globe, the imaginary lines which are drawn vertically on the globe are called longitudes. Longitudes are 360 in number and the 0 degrees longitude is called as prime meridian. This is called as prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian. And these are eastern longitudes, right side, and left side they are western longitudes. This is about longitudes. And next, this is grid, children. What is this grid? So, like this, see, latitudes and longitudes. This is north direction, south direction. Okay, and this is equator. As this is latitude, this is equator, and this one is this red mark, prime meridian. This red one, as this is 0 degrees longitude, this is prime meridian, and 0 degrees latitude, this is equator. And 23.5 degrees north, 66.5 degrees north, like this. So using this grid, it is very easy to locate any place on the globe to people. That's why these imaginary lines are drawn on the globe. I hope you understood, children, about this latitudes and longitudes and why this grid is used. This is grid. Okay, I will show you once. 0 degrees, this is 0 degrees, this is 10 degrees east, 20 degrees east, 30 degrees, like that. And here 23.5 degrees, 66.5 degrees, 90, as this is 90 degrees. Okay, like this. So by using latitudes and longitudes, see this place. So this is 0 degrees on the 0 degrees latitude, and this one 10 degrees eastern longitudes. So taking this point, we can locate the any particular place on the globe. It is very easy to the people. That's why